Nokia phones likely to arrive in India in June. Flipkart buyback guarantee program now extended to more phones. New apps and features announced at Microsoft's Build 2017. It's May 12th and this is 360 Daily. The wait is nearly over for loyal Nokia fans as HMD Global tells Gadgets 360 that it's planning to host a launch event for Nokia phones in the first week of June. Now, it's not entirely clear if the company will be announcing all three smartphones and the feature phone in one event or will host separate events. The Nokia 3, 5 and 6 are the smartphones that are expected to be announced, with prices ranging from 10,000 rupees to 16,000 rupees based on the international pricing that was announced during MWC 2017. The Nokia 3310 feature phone is also expected to make an appearance, which should be hugely popular in India, even if it is purely for nostalgia's sake. Flipkart's buyback guarantee program was first introduced with the Moto G5 Plus, which gave you a fixed discount rate when you exchange that smartphone within a certain time period. Now, this offer is being extended to other smartphones where customers can avail this policy for 399 rupees at the time of purchase. Do remember that the offer is only valid if the price of the new smartphone is higher than the buyback guarantee price. In Day 2 of Build 2017, Microsoft's annual developer conference, the company demoed an upcoming app called Windows Story Remix as part of its Fall Creators Update for Windows 10. Windows Story Remix lets you mix photos, videos, and even 3D objects and invite other users to collaborate with their own clips. Microsoft is also introducing a new design language called Fluent Design System, which should show up in built-in Windows apps over time, followed by other third-party apps. The company also announced big app additions to the Windows Store like Apple iTunes, followed by popular Linux distributions like Ubuntu, SUSE Linux, and Fedora, although we don't have an exact timeline as to when these apps will actually arrive. Check out Gadgets360.com for all the announcements and updates from Build 2017. Karbonn Mobiles has launched the Aura 4G at 5,290 rupees. The smartphone features a 5-inch HD display, quad-core processor, 1 GB of RAM and supports 4G with VoLTE. It runs on Android 6 Marshmallow and features an 8-megapixel rear camera and a 5-megapixel front camera. Intex also announced a 4G VoLTE smartphone called the Aqua Crystal Plus at 6,799 rupees. This model features the more recent Android 7.0 Nougat with a quad-core processor, 2 GB of RAM and a 2100 mAh battery. HP is rolling out a fix via Windows update for its PC models from 2015 to 2016. This fixes a flaw in the audio driver which logged every keystroke of the user, thereby creating a major security issue. According to HP, this piece of code was inadvertently left by Konigsen, the company that made the audio driver, and was never really meant to be included in PCs that shipped. So that's all for this edition of 360 Daily. This is Royden Sarejo with Gadgets 360, and for everything tech, be sure to check out Gadgets360.com.